party.
Witches, monsters, ghosts are waiting for you. Hold the rope and nothing will happen to you.
Let's visit the dead man's. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man. I live under this grave. Carlota, do you want to come with me? I'm hungry, very hungry. I need children meat, nose, ears. Oh, I'm dead man. I'm very hungry because you woke me up. Then children, go away.
Oh, a scary dead man. Let's visit the ghosts.
I'm a scary ghost and I'm very hungry. I eat children. Children are delicious. Happy Halloween. I am a ghost. Paul, come with me. Let's visit my scary castle. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. I'm a ghost and I live in this castle. Blind. How many ghosts can you see in this castle?
3.
Oh, spiritus.
I'm a spiritus. We are brave, very brave. Do you want to come with us and have fun at dinner time? We are in your nightmares when you dream about monsters, witches, spiritus. Ha ha ha! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
What's that noise? Someone is knocking at the door. Let's see and open the door.
Trick or treat, give me something sweet to eat. Trick or treat, give me an apple or a candy too. And I won't play trick or treat. Bye bye.
Now, dangerous monsters are waiting for you.
I'm the pumpkin man. When the ghosts are sleeping, I fly at night with my scary pumpkin. Ha ha ha. Happy Halloween. I'm a monster chef. I kill the pupil and you too. Bye bye. We will meet in the cemetery. The school is full of monsters. Monsters every day. Spiders up and down. Monsters on my head. Happy Halloween. I'm not scared.
Do you like witches? Do you want to see the witches of Halloween? Let's go!
Hello, boys and girls. I'm a witch and I have different powers. And I can fly at night. We are the witches of Halloween. Our faces are ugly and green. And you, do you want to come with me? Hello, boys and girls. I'm very hungry. You are scared? All the people say that I'm evil. That makes me glad.
You are my worst nightmare. If I do mischief, it's in my blood. Call me a freak. I know that I'm a unique and a witch. Hello, I'm the witch and I have magical powers. Look! Ha ha ha! My hair, an apple. I make a magical spell. Touch your head. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Apple, apple, become a mouse. Scary! Shh! Silence. The vampires are flying around. Oh, what is this line? It's line of people. Oh. Hello.
We are the vampires of Halloween. We want to take your blood. Fresh blood, Carla, I'm thirsty. Can I taste your fresh blood?
No.
Hello, I'm a vampire. I know how to fly very high. If you want, I can do a little demonstration.
Did you enjoy the Halloween party? Thank you for coming. Happy Halloween!